What's up you guys, it is Anouty and welcome back to this channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be swatching and doing a look with the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. So last time I filmed with the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette and I said that I bought the Thirsty palette and that I was going to film with it. And that is what I'm doing right now because it's in my possession. I already did my eyebrows off camera by the way, and I used a really light concealer today. I used a ColourPop one and I ordered the wrong shade. I chose the one for fair skin, but I'm not fair, I'm light, so I don't know why I did that. I'm going to be swatching it. I'm also going to be doing a look for you. It's going to be another cut crease because that's what I think I'm best at. If you want to see swatches and the look I come up with, then just keep on watching. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's like glossy, like water droplets on it, and I think it's really pretty. And I like the font of like the Thirsty title name, right? I don't know. And then just your like everyday Jeffree Star logo. Well, not everyday. And the back, same thing with the water droplets and then all the ingredients and stuff. Alright, so there you go. And then once you open it, it's not an unboxing by the way, I've already seen the palette. And this is what the palette itself looks like. It's really cute. It reminds me of a creamsicle, the orange creamsicle. And again, you have the water droplets. It's kind of the same as the box. So if you open it, I'm trying so hard not to blind you. And you gotta take the film off. Then this is the palette. It's really pretty. There you go. There's the palette. I'm sorry the camera angle shifted. I was rudely interrupted by two strange men at my doorstep. So... course, this is the completed look. So as you can see, it's very summery just because of the yellow and the blue. It just reminds me of like a sunset for some reason. Like an actual sun setting like on water, like you get me, like kind of like that. The blue, I don't know if you could tell in the clip, when I was blending it on, it applied like a lot lighter, and so I tried like a more like dense brush, and then the blue applied way more pigmented. So if I were you, I would use like a really dense pencil brush or anything of that sort. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to do these swatches. Hopefully they come out good, just so you can see how they swatch and all that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the swatches. Look at this eyebrow. It's... Hello there. Does it not like a sun actually setting, not like the red and the yellow and the orange? Yay, yay, yay,